Where's the brush at? There's your brush. Oh, no, not on the head. Then in the bowl. Here. There you go. Ooh, good brush. But gotta do this one here. Gotta do this one first. Look at that one. Is that clean? Yeah. Careful. You're gonna fall on your hand. Here. Is that clean? What's this one? Ooh, look at that. Dirty. Yeah, that's dirty. Get it in there. Oh, thank you. Look at that one. That's a good one. Ooh, that's a good one. Yeah. Clean it up. Scrub it in there. Here. Scrub it in there. Get it in there. Uh-oh. Splashing, splashing. Yeah. Get it all on there. Yeah. Get it on in there. You ready to rinse it? Oh, here. Grandpa, try your hands. Here. There we go. We're not supposed to get too wet in there. Yeah, here we go. Just in that one. So I don't know about them sponges, Grandpa. Okay, how about the brush? You want to use the brush? See, that's that sponge gave her the heebie-jeebies. So didn't like touching that sponge, do it? So yeah. Is that pretty good? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. See, we're washing dishes. See, we're washing some dishes up. Getting it all done. What do you think? You're about done? I'll rinse them off. Yeah, doing good. Yes, we're doing good. Careful. You want this one? That's, how about that one? Oh yeah, throw her in the water. Getting them all clean. You want to wash one of Sissy's bottles? You want to wash Sissy's bottle? She does pretty good. Careful over there, don't get too close to the edge. Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? You want the sponge? I don't think you like those sponges. You don't like the sponges at all.
Give us a finish. Give us a finish.
Okay, all done. All done. See, put them away. Put them away. Shake them out. Shake them out. Hey! There, a little tub. Yep, put it in there. Put it in there. Alright, we're done. Yay! Better wash this down. Here, let's wash this down. Yeah, here. Wash the suds off your hands. Yep.